Today, I'll show you how to transfer stocks from Webull to Robinhood. Whether you're looking to consolidate your investment portfolio or simply prefer the features that Robinhood offers, the process is straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Webull app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu section. Here, you'll find your brokerage account number displayed prominently near the top of the screen. It's important to copy or save this number as you'll need it during the transfer process. With your Webull account number in hand, it's time to switch over to Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app or visit the website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the account section and select the transfer option. This is where you'll initiate the process of moving your assets. After selecting transfer, you'll be prompted to choose transfer accounts. At this point, you'll need to specify the type of account you're transferring. It could be an individual account or a retirement account, depending on what you hold with Webull. Now, search for Webull within the broker list and select it. This step is crucial as it identifies where your assets are coming from. Enter your Webull brokerage account number that you saved earlier and continue with the process. Robinhood might automatically verify your account information before proceeding to the next step, so don't worry if there's a brief pause here. At this stage, you'll have a decision to make, whether you want a full account transfer or a partial transfer. A full transfer moves all eligible assets from Webull to Robinhood, while a partial transfer allows you to select specific stocks or assets to move. Consider your investment goals before making this choice. Next, review all the transfer details carefully. This includes checking the stocks or assets listed for transfer and ensuring all information is correct. Once you're satisfied, agree to the terms and conditions and submit the transfer request. Robinhood will then begin the ACATS transfer process. This is an automated system used by brokerage firms to transfer assets. Be aware that the transfer can take several business days to complete, so a little patience is required. And that's how to transfer stocks from Webull to Robinhood. With these steps, you can seamlessly move your investments to better suit your financial needs. Happy investing!